Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the photo and duplicating the background layer so you can undo anything. Use a lasso or quick select tool to roughly isolate the photobomber. Don't aim for pixel-perfect edges yet. Once the selection is active, apply a content-aware fill or a clone source patch to remove the main subject. This clears large shapes fast. Make sure to preserve nearby edges by expanding or contracting the selection slightly, and keep zooming in to monitor how the fill adapts. Now you refine the cleared area using cloning and healing tools to rebuild background texture and lighting. Sample from multiple nearby areas so patterns stay natural. You should switch brush hardness and lower opacity to gradually blend seams. This prevents obvious repeating patterns. Once done, use a small soft brush to retouch hair, reflections, or shadows that the autofill missed. Make sure to toggle between layers and merge, only when the result looks seamless across contrast and grain. Finish by matching color and texture. Apply a subtle color match, add noise or grain to unify the patched area, and adjust contrast so nothing stands out. Use dodge and burn sparingly to restore realistic shadows and highlights. Once complete, step back and view at normal size. If you spot artifacts, undo the last passes, pick a different clone source, and retry those spots. Remember, small repeated attempts with varied sources usually fix stubborn artifacts without harming the rest of the image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.